Here's how you can sign in to your Apple ID account on Android. So, to begin with, let's start. You need to make sure to open up a browser. You could go with Chrome browser. Then you could tap onto the search bar and type in accounts.apple.com. This is the official link. You could simply go ahead and copy paste it as well and simply tap on the go button. Now you will be taken to the official web page. So slightly scroll down. You could find a sign in button right over here. Tap onto it. This is going to take a time. Now you'll be asked to enter in your email or a phone number. You could select any one of these options. So I'm going to simply select my email address. After which you want to make sure to go ahead and select continue. You could also sign in with your iPhone if you want to go with that. Next part, you have to enter in your password associated with your Apple ID. If you want to remember or if you want to make sure to sign in, likewise, if you've forgotten your password, you could also tap onto forgot your password as well. So once you've typed in or tap onto the sign in button, you will then be asked to type in the verification code, which is going to be sent to your recovery email or your phone number. Now, once you've received the verification code, simply type into the box. Once you're done, it's going to auto verify, and here's how you've successfully signed into your Apple ID. So this is the way you could do it. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.